Today we are going over a basic HTML structure. First, we have the less than n.rates.html greater than declaration, which tells the browser we're using HTML5. Then, the less than meta greater than tag defines the language of the document as English. Inside the less than head greater than, we set the character encoding with less than meta greater than with less than meta cut equals UTF-8 greater than, and define the page title with the less than title greater than tag. The real content of the page goes inside the less than body greater than. Here we have an less than hone greater than tag for the main heading, a less than p greater than tag for a paragraph of text, and an unordered list less than ul greater than, with 3 items, each wrapped in less than li greater than tags. And that's a simple HTML page. We'll go deeper into each of these elements in upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.